Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in few minutes, let's make this body cream, body moisturizer, body lotion with just 4 ingredients. So firstly, I'm going to boil some distilled water. I am making 300 grams of my cream body moisturizer. So I'm going to weigh out my water and I'm going to be having 231 grams of water. I'll then take this water to the double boiler and heat it till it's about 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. While I wait for the water, I'll simply go ahead to weigh my lotion base. I already pre-made my lotion base with some oils and waxes, and this is how it looks like. I'll definitely share the recipe of this lotion base in my next video, so please stay tuned. Make sure you stay subscribed and turn your notification bell so that you can get that video when it drops. So for this lotion base, I'm going to weigh out 51 grams of this base. Because of the consistency I want to make, I'll be needing just 51 grams. So after weighing this, I'm going to set it aside and bring in my water. I checked the temperature and I have about 67 degrees Celsius, which was very okay for me. So I'll get my lotion base already weighed out, and then I'm going to just add the hot distilled water to this. When adding the water into your lotion base, make sure that you have your stick blender just by the side so that you can immediately blend. So after I blend for a while and I see that this is already emulsified, I'm just going to set this and allow it to cool. As you allow it to cool, make sure you blend at intervals and also check the temperatures as you keep allowing it to cool until you get to about 40 degrees Celsius. At about 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, I already have this creamy texture of the cream, and it was so lovely because the texture was derived from a combination of different waxes and oils. Now checking for the texture, you owe the cream the texture or whatever texture that you want. You already have the lotion base and you have your water, so depending on the texture shows how many percent of your cream base or your lotion base that you're using here. In this formulation, I used 17% of my lotion base to get this consistency, and if you want a lighter consistency, you can reduce the percentage of the lotion base to like 15 or 12% or even 10%. But if you want it thicker than this, then you can take it to 20% or even 25%. So I gave it one more mix to make sure that I have a fine smooth texture, and so also get the final consistency of the cream. So in this plate, we simply have 51 grams of our lotion base and 231 grams of distilled water. I'm going to go ahead to add my preservative. Here I'm using Germal Plus preservative and I'm having 3 grams. I'll also go in with one of my favorite fragrances from Nature's Garden, milk fragrance. You definitely can opt to use any fragrance of your choice depending on how you want your lotion, your cream to smell. So after adding this, I'm going to give this a good mix, and my cream moisturizer is ready. This cream has a very good texture, a very good smell, and it will last for long. The shelf life is about 18 months. So if you're a newbie in formulating, or you do not know how to make lotions and creams, or you're scared of your measurements or your emulsification phase, then you have to grab a cup of this lotion base, so that all you simply need to do is boil your measured out water, pour in it, blend, add your preservative, your fragrance, and your color if you want any color in your cream. The lotion base is also very much in stock. If you want it, you can purchase from us. You can see purchase instructions right in the description box. Also, please, if you've watched to this point, endeavor to support me by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, sharing this video to your friends, and also turn your notification bell so you can get my video every time I post. Thank you so much for your support. So I'll simply add my formula into a container. If this was a lotion, I would probably have used a bottle, but this is a moisturizer, so I'm using a cup, although it's very light in consistency and it's also very lightweight when applied on the skin. The base is also very non-comedogenic. It means that this cream or moisturizer can be used on the face without clogging pores. It can be used all parts of the body, also used on the hair to soften the hair or as a detangler. It can be used by babies, adults, sensitive skin, and all complexions are okay too with this moisturizer. Watch out for the lotion based recipe in my next video, and I'll see you there.